Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by reading your writing aloud to locate grammar mistakes. Read each sentence slowly and listen for missing words. Record yourself for 1 minute and play it back to hear issues. Note awkward rhythm, repeated words, or incorrect verb forms when you listen. Create a checklist of common errors like subject-verb agreement and article misuse. Keep that checklist visible while you read and edit every paragraph. Repeat this simple habit daily for at least 5 minutes to build awareness and accuracy. Use grammar tools to catch obvious mistakes and get suggestions. Run 2 different grammar checks to compare and weigh recommendations. Consult a concise grammar guide for tense rules, article usage, and prepositions. Bookmark one trusted reference that explains errors in clear examples and exceptions. Use targeted practice drills for 15 minutes to reinforce correct patterns. Focus drills on your top 3 recurring mistakes to see measurable improvement quickly and efficiently. Adopt an editing routine that isolates specific grammar issues each pass. In the first pass, fix subject-verb agreement and verb tense across the text. In the second pass, check articles, prepositions, and sentence connectors for clarity. Read sentences backwards slowly to focus on punctuation and word order without context bias. Keep a personal error log to record frequent mistakes and corrections for review. Review that log weekly for measurable progress and to plan your next target.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.